Hey, I'm Adam. I'm a personal trainer and co-founder of Heart and Soul.
Hi, I am Aslı. I'm the pastry chef and co-founder of Heart and Soul.
There are two alternatives to make peanut butter in the market as of now. Number one, you either put only salt or no salt in order to be healthy, which we think is boring and often dry towards the end of the jar, and it's really annoying. Number two, add palm oil and refined sugars in order to be tasty but be unhealthy. But what if I tell you there's another option, healthy, tasty and super exciting? That is Heart and Soul peanut butters. Since we launched in May 2020 from our home kitchen in Greenwich with only two of us, we sold over 20,000 jars in 100 humble local stores and only in London without the help of big supermarkets. Because of COVID-19, we could not have any tasting sessions, no market stands, and no food shows. But this didn't stop us to move forward. We received 3 Great Taste Awards in 2020, that is only after 4 months of launching our products. November 2020, we moved to a factory to produce more in order to reach demand and approved by Salsa. We get listed in 2 major wholesalers in June and Amazon July 2021. So, what makes Heart and Soul peanut butters so special and selling this good? When we decided to use ingredients which are stranger to many people was a big decision because those ingredients have never been used or known to any nut butter products or consumers. But we believe this risk has paid off when we see the reaction from those people who trusted in us and bought our products. The first seed of great success is planted with a small dream. We have planted that seed. And now we want you to join to take Heart and Soul into next level. We need your help to get Heart and Soul into the hands of tables of 100% of UK households. The peanut butter market is huge, £2.5 billion worldwide, and 127 million just in UK and still growing. With your investment, we will have the funds to become nationally recognized brand in UK, grow our distribution line, market our products, build a great team, and get into bigger supermarkets. This will enable us to create future plant-based products to help the world to be a better place to live. That is why we say the path you choose should feed your heart and soul.